So we are from Group 2, but English 31. So here we would like to present our topic discussion about MBG, the MBG poisoning crisis. What is MBG? MBG is a program from Mr. President Prabowo Subianto. It stands for Makanan Bergizi Gratis. In English, it's called free nutrition food. So there are more problem. Mainly is poison food. So we will talk about it in this PPT. So let me introduce you my team. This is myself. My name is Tofaski Fangkara Sadi, and my last three digits is 50. Next.
My name is Yuda Putra Dinanda, and my last three digits of NRP is 049.
My name is Alif Nurrahman, and my last three digits NRP is 057.
And my name is Nadina Pilapis Ayasi, and my last three digits are 061.
My name is Muhammad Septian Ezra Maulana, and my last three digit NRP is 120.
My name is Horul Anam, and my three-digit NRP are 15145.
Okay, the first topic is the recent of East Jakarta incident. The first one is mass poisoning. There are 72 students in Pondok Kelapa. This one is include elementary school and middle high school from Pondok Kelapa. They are suffer severe food poisoning on 3rd April 2026. The second problem is direct cause. So the incident occurred immediately after consuming meals provided by the MBG program. So they immediately sick after eating the food. So the third causes, it's not causes, the third problem, critical timing. This tragic event happened just as the new academic term began following the Eid holiday. It means Eid Fitri on the last March. The last incident is about FTI's response. What is FSTI? It's the Federation of Indonesian Teachers Union. So they will demanding an immediate comprehensive evaluation of the program as soon as possible. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, now that we have seen the impact of recent incident in East Jakarta, let us turn to our broader nationwide data. As you can see on this slide, we are looking at escalating victim count that highlight a severe nationwide emergency. I would like to draw your attention to the most revealing figure on the screen, that number 4,755. That staggering number represents the total individuals who suffered from NBD food poisoning in just first 2 months of 2026 alone. These are not just a statistic. These are thousands of students whose health was compromised. To break this down further, in January 2026, the MBK program resulted in alarming 2,835 poisoning victims. The following month, in February 2026, we saw an additional 1,920 individuals fall ill from the provided meals. Now that you might notice that the February figure is lower, it is true that there was a 32.2% month-over-month decrease. However, I want to emphasize that we must not interpret this drop as a systemic improvement. What is vital to remember is the cumulative total for the 4,755 out to over 2,300 victims per month, which is a massive surge compared to the previous year. In short, While there was a slight temporary dip, the cumulative 2 months total remains historically unprecedented and signal a critical flaw in the system supervision and food quality controls. Okay, next.
Okay, let's take a look at the monthly average comparing to the data from 2025 to the beginning of 2026. So the number we are looking at here are highly concerning. As you can see on the top gray bar, throughout 20 and 25, the total number of victims reached just over 20,000. That breaks down to an average of roughly 1,667 victims every single month. However, please direct your attention to the red bar, which is represent the start of the 20 and 26. In just the first 2 months of this year, the monthly average has spiked significantly to 2,377 victims per month. So this is not a minor fluctuation. As highlighted below, this represents a drastic 42.56% increase in the monthly average compared to the last year. And these figures are undeniable proof that the food poisoning crisis is rapidly accelerating, not improving. The situation is worsening, and it strongly underlines why the government must urgently evaluate the safety, supervision, and quality of the MBG program, rather than just focusing on the number of beneficiaries.
Okay, the core issues from this presentation is the government has neglected to analyze when there are food poisoning incidents related to MBG. As we know, MBG is a program from Indonesian government to provide free nutrition meals for student Indonesia. The number of poisoning cases actually indicates a more serious problem. This statement is from Retno Listiarti, chairperson of FSGI Advisory Board. In Indonesian language, FSGI is Federasi Serikat Guru Indonesia. That means Federation of Teacher in Indonesia.
Okay, now let's look deeper into the root of the crisis by examining the three major Islamic loopholes we have detected within the OMD program. The first issue is the full supervision, where the government focuses heavily on beneficiary numbers while completely overlooking safety, oversight, and quality control measures. This directly contributes to the second problem, compromised quality. As visited was poisoning incident clearly how the substandard food preparation, unsanitary kitchens, and poor ingredient quality. Finally, there is a failed distribution system, where logistical failure in the distribution can lead to failed sales they serve to vulnerable students across their countries. Together, the system failure show exactly when this program needs an immediate and comprehensive evaluation.
Okay, this slide is about to explain urgent call for reforming this program, and these are points, a few points why. First, statistics are human lives. The 4,755 victims are not just numbers. They represent endangered children, misleading data. The decrease in reported cases may look like a safety improvement, but it was mainly due to school holidays during Ramadan and Eid. The looming threat. Without comprehensive reform, This will this risk will continue to grow, putting millions of students at risk every day. FSGI's demand. FSGI believe that the MBK supply chain should be suspended immediately and thoroughly evaluated to ensure student safety and prevent further casualties.
I think that's enough for our presentation. Thank you for listening to us. Any further questions will follow up to us. So prepare your question. Hope maybe we can answer your question. Thank you for everyone. Bye bye.